Hey guys, this is Jay. Last video I gave you free animated wedding album template. You guys liked it, kept asking for a new template. So here it is. As usual, download link in the description, download the file, extract the file. Next step, go to the folder. You'll see a PSD file called animated album. Open the PSD file inside Photoshop. This is the template you're going to get. Let's see how to edit the template. More or less it's going to same like the previous one. Let's start with by adding our image. Go to this video group 2, enable the layer 1, double click the thumbnail. You will get an image placeholder shape. Here's where we're going to drop in our image. Now go to your image folder, open the image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right above a image placeholder shape. Next step, right click, clip mask the image. Next, enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Once you are done, click enter. Next step, it's time to save the template. Go to file, click save. Now you can close this window. Using the very same step, you can add image to all the image placeholder shapes. If you don't see the image in the center template here, means don't worry, we will come to that later. Next step, let's edit the text part. Double click the text smart object. New window will open. Here you can edit your text. You can add your name, girlfriend, wife, whatever name you want. Edit the text. Once you are done with adding your text part, next step, as usual, we are going to save the content. For that, go to file, click save. Now you can close this window. You will find your text content is updated here. Next, let's go to the animation part. For that, go to Windows. Here, select timeline. This is where you're going to see the final output. Now place the playhead at the starting point. Now click the play button and see the magic. Now we'll see all your images you are added to the smart object will be animated automatically. You don't need to do anything. Looks nice, isn't it? Next step, if you want to add audio file to this template, means all you got to do is click this arrow, select add audio. Now pick your audio file, click open. Next step, it's time to trim the excess audio file. For that, place the playhead at the endpoint. Now click this scissor icon to crop the excess audio part. Now select the audio part, click delete. There you go. Now let's see the final output. Place the playhead at the starting point. Now click the play button. There you go, looks stunning. As a final part, we are going to render the file. For that, go to File, select Export, select Render Video. There, give name to the template. Select the folder where you want to save the file. Select the format. Now click Render. Once the render is done, your animated wedding album is ready.